Hey, aloha everybody. Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, so we're gonna open this box here. This is what I've been waiting for. There's an interesting story to this, and so you want to check out the 3 day impression to hear the story behind it. But we have it in hand. The Celero 5G Plus has arrived. Again, thank you to Dish / Boost Mobile for sending this out for review. And yeah, I'm definitely excited to check it out. So let's get into the box. There are a couple of unboxings, so you can feel free to skip ahead. I think like another 2 or 3 minutes ahead, and kind of go over the device. But anyhow, uh, let's open it up, and we have a phone, the Celera 5G Plus, and it's big. It looks big. That's what she said, but interesting. So you get your data sync cable, but the cool thing is what's behind it, and you guys see it. It's a charging brick. So that is nice to have. Considering the fact that most phones today, especially the flagships, don't give you those no more. So let's go ahead and take the phone out. Ooh, oh wow, it's a bit it's heavy. It's got some weight. It's got some weight to it. So nonetheless, um yeah, I mean it feels pretty good so far. It's got this protective plastic film on it. See if I can slide it off. Trying to do this one-handed while holding the phone with the other hand, so that's a bit challenging. But oh, you got a noise canceling mic on top right there. So I'm seeing a few things while I'm trying to get it out. Uh all right, let's struggle with this and see how badly I can do this. And oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Urgh. Yeah, it's just it doesn't want to help. This thing is just really giving me a hard time. All right, we got it open. We have it open. Yay! It's got a very like boxed feel, rectangle box, like a little micro mini, not micro, but like a mini brick. Anyways, yeah. So there's pretty much the surroundings of the phone. I gotta get this thing set up here soon. And then that way I can kind of play around, just kind of see like how everything is, what's changed from the original Celero. And yeah, so we'll put this off to the side here because we'll keep sticking to the thing. And what else you get inside the box? Well, you get your booklet, your start guide, and terms and service, and a SIM injection tool key. So that's pretty nice. All right.
All right, here we have it. We have the Solero 5G Plus. I was kind of playing around with it for a little bit after I unboxed it and everything. It is a very big phone. It really is. It's the same size as the T-Mobile Revel 5G Plus. I think I got that one right. The really big pink one with the rectangle camera module. It's about the same size as that. There's a couple of things noted so far already that's way different from the original Solero. One is just how smooth it is to navigate around the entire phone and, just um, accessing different things. So it is smooth. And that would be just because it's not using a MediaTek processor, it's using a Qualcomm chip. So that's going to be a real big plus there. The other thing is, and it's a kind of a hit or miss, and I'll get into that in a later review, but is the cameras. The cameras take pretty good pictures, and I think that the quality is decent. There's just an issue with the when recording video, moving between a closer subject and a more further distant subject. The white balance just goes off and stuff like that. Again, I'll talk about that in more in depth review, but so far, um, the only other thing that I had to change was the actual stock launcher. So the launcher that I have on here right now is a modded Pixel launcher, and I had to go that route just because the stock launcher itself, while it was okay, big problem was that I'm so used to having the apps alphabetized automatically, and on the stock launcher, they're scrambled. As they're installed on your phone, they're scrambled on the list. So newer installs would be at the bottom. Don't matter if the app began with the letter A or the letter T. If it was recently installed, it would be at the bottom. Apps that are already installed or previously installed would be at the top, all over the place. And there in the settings for the launcher, there was nothing to organize that, which I think is something that the manufacturers of this device really should have took into consideration with their own skin that they're using, which is really just a stock Android looking version. But yeah, they should have put more thought into that. The overall hardware itself, like I said, it's a big phone. I feel it's nicely constructed, and it's got some weight to it. So yeah, this is a phone that you definitely want to have a case, and you want some sort of support to hold it. So we're talking like a pop socket or something. Um, anyways, yeah. So that's the unboxing and just my quick first impressions of the Solera 5G. Look at that. We got a headphone jack. Um, I like it so far. I think it's pretty decent. It's a pretty decent phone. I just gotta have some time to play around with it. Um, and when I do a little bit of travel, I'm gonna take it with me to test the cameras out and stuff. So yeah, just be on the lookout. There's gonna be a we'll call it after 3 day review. And by the way, I'm shooting this with another device I picked up, the Moto G stylus. That's how I'm able to do this dual capture mode. That's one thing I really liked about the Moto G stylus, and I got another one for myself. So yeah, there you have it. Solera 5G Plus. Shout out to Boost Mobile for hooking it up. And I'll tell you the story on how I got this. This actually arrived 4 days ago. But if you want to know that story, what happened, be on the lookout for the 3 day review. Well, 3 day quick review, and because I'll do more reviews on this phone as I play around with it more. But all right, guys, thanks for watching.